Hey guys, today we're here to talk about Belkin's Car Vent Mount Pro. Now, this is one of few accessories that is out right now made for MagSafe compatible phones. So obviously, right now, all of iPhone 12's lineup contains the MagSafe built in, and with the launch of that, there hasn't been a lot of accessories out there. Belkin is one of the few companies out there that has a MagSafe compatible accessory. In the box, this is all it comes with. It's very simple, it's very light, it's made out of plastic. Even though it has this premium look, it's not necessarily the most premium feel. It's held with a silicone tip, so it mounts onto the vent pretty well. The design is essentially this MagSafe bit. It's honestly not much more. Unfortunately, even though it has this Pro name attached to it, it doesn't have any wireless charging capabilities. I'm not sure why they haven't included in this, maybe because it overheats, who knows? But, it's just the MagSafe mount itself. The mount does have an ample amount of flexibility in terms of the viewable angles. It can also rotate into landscape mode if you prefer that as well. Now, it does have a built-in cable management system, which isn't elegant. I personally don't use it because it just looks clunky. The lightning cable will not look good attached to this thing. So for the most part, I just plug straight into the phone without having it kind of looped around this Belkin accessory. Now, one of the first things that came to mind when I got this thing is, does the MagSafe actually hold well under bumps and different conditions in the car? I'm pleased to say it works perfectly fine. There's no complaints about that. Now, this is my first MagSafe accessory. I don't have the MagSafe charger just because I already have a wireless Qi charging pad, which works perfectly fine. I have this cheap, thin plastic iPhone case I got from Amazon to just protect my phone because I am a case person, and it doesn't necessarily work with this accessory. Now, while it does magnetically latch on, it's not strong enough to hold it up in place. So a little trip to the Apple Store did the job. I went and got myself a little leather MagSafe case, and it works seamlessly. So if you're not a case person, you're obviously going to not have any issues with the compatibility and having it magnetically latch onto the MagSafe. But if you do like cases on your phone, which I'm sure the majority of you do, you're limited to a pretty small selection of cases just because there aren't a lot of MagSafe cases out there. There's a lot of iPhone 12 cases, don't get me wrong, but with built-in MagSafe, that's very limited right now. If you're a brand new iPhone 12 user and you're looking for a low-key car mount, I think this is the best option out there. Just because the design is really sleek, it's low profile, and even though Belkin did label this a pro device, I don't really think it deserves that name. With the options out there, this is the best you're gonna get. I'm sure down the line next year, we're gonna see a lot more MagSafe compatible devices and accessories, which I'm really stoked about. I just think maybe, this is just a sneak peek in the potential of MagSafe accessories. There's just so much potential out there. I've taken this around everywhere in my car. If you are a frequent car commuter, this is a great choice for a car mount. While driving, I really had no issues whatsoever. I've never had it fall on me. I've never had the car mount itself even fall from the vent. I honestly had no issues whatsoever. So overall, I think this is the most viable option out there for a MagSafe car mount. Again, you don't really have a lot of options out there, so Belkin is the first to get there, and they've done a great job. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe to 9 to 5 Mac for more of these. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.